Hey guys, let's do section 4, meiosis compared to mitosis. Meiosis requires 2 nuclear divisions, while mitosis only requires 1. In meiosis, chromosomes synapse and cross over. No crossing over happens in mitosis. Centromeres survive anaphase 1 in meiosis, and the centromeres dissolve in mitotic anaphase. Meiosis halves the number of chromosomes, and mitosis preserves it. Meiosis produces 4 daughter cells, while mitosis produces 2. In meiosis, the cells that are produced are genetically different, whereas in mitosis, the cells that are produced are genetically identical to the parent and to each other. Meiosis is used for sexual reproduction, whereas mitosis is used for asexual reproduction and for growth and repair of injuries and stuff like that. Meiosis compared to mitosis, similarities. An orderly series of stages is involved in the sorting and division of chromosomes in both processes. Both processes also include stages called prophase, prometaphase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. There should be an anaphase in there, guys. Go ahead and write that in if it's not there in your notes. In both processes, spindle fibers play an active role in sorting the chromosomes, and cytokinesis follows the end of the processes to divide cytoplasm between the daughter cells that are being produced. Here is table 10.1. It is also in your notebook. It's comparing meiosis 1 to mitosis. So in meiosis 1, during prophase 1, the homologous chromosomes pair up, and the bivalents, the 2 homologous chromosomes pair up at the metaphase plate. During anaphase 1, homologules of each bivalent separate and duplicated chromosomes move to the poles. So 1 chromosome moves to each pole. In telophase 1, 2 haploid daughter cells are formed that are not identical to the parent. Whereas in mitosis, there's no pairing of chromosomes in prophase. Duplicated chromosomes meet at the metaphase plate in metaphase. In anaphase, the sister chromatids separate. And in telophase, we have 2 diploid daughter cells that are identical to each other and to the parent cell. In meiosis 2, prophase 2, there's no pairing of chromosomes, which is the same in prophase of mitosis. In metaphase 2, haploid number of duplicated chromosomes at the metaphase plate, and in metaphase, there's a diploid number of duplicated chromosomes at the metaphase plate. In anaphase 2, sister chromatids separate, becoming daughter chromosomes that move to both poles, and that's the exact same thing that happens in regular anaphase of mitosis. And in telophase 2, 2 haploid daughter cells are formed from each cell, each of those haploid cells that started meiosis 2. So we actually get 4 cells from the original 1 cell. In telophase, we only end up with 2 new cells that are identical to the parent. And so here we have meiosis on the left and mitosis on the right. All right, and you'll notice that these 2 cells are identical to the parent cell up here, but you'll notice that the 4 daughter cells of meiosis are not identical to the parent cell. Okay, and you'll notice that it has half the number of chromosomes. And that's it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know.